Andito kami, naki-wifi. Nag-online ako sa GSIS, di ba? Pensioner ka during your birth month. You need to appear online. Ang spelling niya is APIR. But the meaning is appear online. So, naki-wifi kami, wala kaming wifi. And then, successful, wala pang 2 minutes. But when you appear, they take your selfie, they just get your BP number sa GSIS. Then, selfie, move forward, don't move the camera, keep still. Ganun ang sinasabi sa akin. I have to do it. Until take it, capture it. Ganun ang sabi. So, it's done. It's done. We are here. Daddy is accompanied me to their house, to Jimmy's house. Wala kaming, we don't have any, Wi-Fi today. Nawala na last night. So, wala ako sa YouTube. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Happy August!